In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with HubSpot, ensuring a seamless workflow and better teamwork across your organization. Integrating these platforms can greatly enhance your productivity by allowing efficient communication between your sales, marketing, and service teams. Let's dive into this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. You can access this by logging into your HubSpot account and following the provided link in your dashboard or directly typing in the URL in your browser. This user guide will be your starting point for accessing the HubSpot marketplace, where integration applications can be found. Once you're on the user guide page, look around for the marketplace option. You'll probably find it in the main navigation bar or possibly as a featured menu option. Click on Marketplace to proceed. The marketplace is essentially your one-stop shop for all HubSpot integrations and apps, so familiarizing yourself with it can open up a plethora of productivity tools and enhancements. With the marketplace now open, direct your gaze to the Apps section. Clicking here will take you into the wide world of applications that can be integrated with HubSpot. This section is where you'll find the Microsoft Teams app, among many others. Now, in the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams. This will narrow down the available apps to just what you need and is a great way to quickly find any app in the marketplace. Immediately, the Microsoft Teams app should appear in the results. Click on it to begin the integration process. With Microsoft Teams selected, you'll be brought to its specific page detailing the app. It might provide you with a brief overview of how it interacts with HubSpot, what features it offers, and any other particular details you should be aware of. When you're ready, locate and click on the Install App button. This action will begin the installation of the Microsoft Teams integration onto your HubSpot platform. Upon selecting Install App, the system may prompt you through several on-screen instructions or steps, ensuring proper setup and authorization. Make sure to follow any directions carefully as you want to maintain a smooth, uninterrupted setup process. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Teams should now be integrated with HubSpot, ready for you to use in your daily tasks and projects. This integration will not only enable you to communicate more efficiently, but also streamline your efforts across your team, enhancing overall productivity and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!